Good morning, welcome back to Lori's Life. Yesterday I did a video where I put these chives into some nice cream cheese and put it on potatoes and did a recipe. But I lost the video because I'm trying to learn how to edit. So I'm not very good at it, obviously. But right now, I'm going to do a quick breakfast sandwich with these chives that I've been growing for about 4 years. They survive the winter because the roots stay alive. But I just stick them underneath the steps for storage. They're about a foot long. And I'm just going to snip some off and put it on my breakfast burrito. I made scrambled eggs. I'm going to wash them off first, but I'll be right back. So I'll be coming up with another recipe since I lost that whole video. I had to edit it, and I was trying to do cuts and instead of cutting the part out, it was the only thing left, and I couldn't revive it because I really need to learn a lot. So putting homegrown herbs on scrambled eggs for breakfast. Like, subscribe, make a comment.